I guess it's kind of messy. I ought to find my matches. Oh. Oh, it wasn't a Tinder match. It was a fire match. Oh, I get it now. That's what she meant. Ah. What was I thinking leaving it here? Okay, we got the match. Okay, Tinder. Wait, is Tinder called Tinder as a joke? Because matches are in a Tinder box and... What? Is that a joke? I never understood what Tinder meant. What the fuck? The T in the logo is literally a flame. Yeah, but I just thought because, ooh, hot, spicy, ooh, I don't know, man. I didn't know Tinder...